Hey everyone, it's Alina from Microsoft here. Whether you're writing a message to your mentor, refreshing your cover letter, or even just crafting a personal blog post, sometimes all you want is to make sure your words sound a little more polished. Today I'll show you how to use Copilot and Word to rewrite sections of your writing. Let's dive in and make your writing shine.
Start by opening the document you want to refine in Microsoft Word. Make sure your document is saved to OneDrive so Copilot can work seamlessly. This is key. Once you have it open, you don't even need to open the Copilot pane. Just highlight the text you want to improve and Copilot will appear right in the canvas. Once you've selected that paragraph or sentence, look for that floating Copilot menu that pops up nearby. Click on it and then click Rewrite to see how Copilot can instantly suggest new ways to rewrite your paragraph or sentence right there in the canvas. For example, if you're writing a thank you letter to your mentor and you want it to sound more formal, just select More Formal option in the drop-down menu. Copilot will generate a refined version that deepens the sentiment while keeping your message intact. Let's say you want to experiment with a different vibe. After clicking Rewrite, you can try typing in your own prompt by clicking Chat with Copilot. I'm going to put Make this sound more inspiring, but you could put Rewrite in a more conversational tone if you want. You can even try both and compare the options and pick the one that feels most true to you. If you're happy with the tone but want to clean up the grammar or improve sentence structure, just select the text. Ask it to improve clarity and grammar without changing the tone. You can even see that sometimes it will pick up that it needs to improve grammar and will suggest it for you like it did for me. And then you'll see, Copilot will smooth out awkward phrasing while keeping your original voice intact.
And that's it! With Copilot and Word, you can use Rewrite to be more expressive and make sure your writing sounds true to you. Stick around, there's still so much more to learn about Copilot. Subscribe today, and I'll see you in the next video.